Here's the Halfords guide to choosing the right mountain bike for you. Before we begin, have a think about exactly what you're after. Speed or comfort? Tricky off-road riding or flat smooth rides? These will all affect your choice, so it's important to bear this in mind when making your decision. There are two types of mountain bike, hardtail and full suspension. If you're after speed, a hardtail cross-country bike is spot on. They are lightweight, fast and have front suspension. Getting a lockout feature on the suspension is a great shout too. Once the suspension is locked out, the frame becomes rigid and doesn't absorb as much of your energy as you speed up. If you're after more comfort on those tricky terrain rides, a full suspension mountain bike may be the better option, ironing out those tough bumps and jumps through rough trails. However, some say the rigid hardtail bikes offer a better feel for the ride that outweighs the comfort of the full suspension. Though really, it's a personal preference which suspension system you go for. How about brakes? Well, there are two types, the V-brake and the disc brake. The V-brake is ideal for lighter off-roading. Disc brakes, on the other hand, offer stronger, more responsive braking with the downside of being slightly heavier. Hydraulic disc brakes are also available as an upgrade to the standard mechanical disc brake. They offer rapid response and smooth performance in all conditions. Finally, gears. Our standard range of mountain bikes have the more traditional system of up to 27 gears, while the more premium ranges offer a single gear at the front and 10 or 11 at the back. Having a larger range between the rear and front derailleur can really give you an advantage on those tough climbs, as you can change gears quicker. With all of these components, the quality increases as you move through the range. Go online to see our full range or pop into your local Halfords store and chat with a member of the team for more information. And don't forget, when you buy from us, we'll build your bike for free.